Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Let's learn vocabulary. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Today we are going to see vocabulary related to rain and wind with pictures. First of all, we will see vocabulary related to kinds of rain. When you see this kind of rain, it is called drizzle. Drizzle means light rain in fine drops. You can see drops here in the picture. So that's why this kind of rain is called drizzle. When you see this kind of rain, it is called downpour. Downpour means it is related to heavy rainfall. When you see this kind of overflow of a large amount of water, it is called flood. When you see this kind of rain, it is called sleet, hail or freezing rain. So sleet means rain containing some ice. You can see here in the picture. So this kind of rain is called sleet. When you see this kind of rain, then it is called snowfall. When you see this kind of rain, it's called blizzard. You can see here severe snowstorm with high winds. So it is called blizzard. Now let's see some vocabulary related to wind. When you feel this kind of wind, it's called breeze. Breeze means gentle wind, which you like the most. That is called breeze. This kind of strong wind is known as blustery. When strong wind is blowing, that is called windy. This kind of strong wind is also known as gale. A storm with a violent wind is called hurricane, typhoon or cyclone. When you see this kind of violent, destructive, whirling wind, that is called tornado, or you can say twister. Hope you learned a lot of vocabulary related to rain and wind. Stay tuned, more is yet to come. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.